animals that can live longer than humans. Many people think humans live a long life, but some animals can live much longer than us. These creatures have special ways to survive for many years in their natural homes. For example, some turtles can live more than 150 years, spending their life slowly and peacefully. Scientists believe their slow movement helps them stay healthy and calm for a very long time. Other animals, like whales, can live for more than 200 years deep in the cold ocean waters. It is amazing how nature allows these animals to live such long and mysterious lives. Another example is the Greenland shark, one of the oldest animals in the world. This shark can live for more than 400 years in the dark, cold ocean near the North Pole. Its body grows very slowly, and that helps it stay alive for centuries. Scientists are still studying why this shark can live for so long without getting sick. It spends its time quietly swimming in deep waters, far from humans and danger. The secret of its long life is still a mystery for science. There are also some kinds of clams that can live even longer than sharks and whales. One famous clam, called Ming, lived for more than 500 years before it was discovered by scientists. These small sea creatures do not move much, and their slow life helps them live longer. Living in cold water and moving very little seems to protect their bodies from aging. It is strange to think that a small clam can live for half a thousand years. These animals show that living slowly can sometimes mean living longer. When we learn about these long-living animals, we understand how amazing nature really is. They remind us that life can be peaceful, slow, and still full of meaning. Humans may not live for hundreds of years, but we can learn from these creatures about patience and balance. Every animal has its own way to survive and enjoy the world. The secret to a long life may be living calmly, eating well, and respecting nature. These animals teach us that time is precious and that living in harmony is the key to a happy life. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, comment, and follow us for more.